Hi guys, it's Jenna, and this time I am repotting this ZZ plant. So I'm gonna take this apart of this overgrown pot. It seems like all of these roots are coming out, so I'm gonna have to repot this. So guys, I loosened it up a bit to pull this out because it was so hard to pull it. And look at the bottom, guys. Look at the roots. It needs repotting. This baby needs a new home, a new pot. So I'm gonna move them in the new pot. Look at that, how awesome that root in there. So I'm gonna prepare my pot, guys. So I am trying to loosen the bound a bit, guys, because I feel bad for the other babies that are growing, but I hope I'm doing the right thing, not hurting the plant instead of helping them. But I have this little tool and I could get to the little gaps in between these babies because they are so tied on each other. So I'm able to pull it apart. Yay, I got it out. Look at that, guys, like a potato. So cool, you guys. I love it. I wasn't gonna take it apart because I just poked the bottom here to loosen it, but I tried poking the in between the roots and I was able to, so that's why I'm doing this right now. It's to free the roots from going to the other babies. So because there's a lot of babies growing on this plant, guys. Look at that. This other shoot, is that called baby? But I think I hurt it. Do you see that? I broke it. Not all the way, but I think that's broken. Oh my goodness, there's a leaf. Oh man, I'm sad. So sad. I get sad when I break stuff, especially baby plants. So hopefully that will thrive because this is, you know, still attached to that. So this one here. Okay. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, this is such an experiment. Oh my goodness, look at, guys, I got it out. Look, so cool. I love it. Oh my goodness, so awesome. This, I can't take it apart. It is stuck to this one, so probably this root here is this is the baby of this plant here, and it's going to that side, and I cannot take that apart. I'll just leave it like that. Maybe at least it was loose now, so it's loose a bit, but I could probably pull it. Let me see what I can do here. Yeah, I could. So let me pull this one off. There you go. Free that one. It's free. There you go. This baby is free. And there are a lot in here. See this little one here? So cool. Alright, so I separated this 1, 2. I'm not gonna take it apart because you see the like potato root right there. They're attached to each other, guys. Look at that. So that stays like that. This is gonna stay like that too. This baby is kinda out, but I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, so these are the, I took 4 pieces, 4 groups out. Alright guys, let me find a pot for this. Here are the finished potted ZZ plant, and this one, here's the IKEA pot, and this is a tall one right here. That is the one of the big bunch of ZZ. Here is the another one here, little tiny, the little plant in this owl planter, not really planter but a mug, but it is so cute in here, that little plant there. So there is another probably baby that's gonna come out on that side there. So there's gonna be a total of 3 ZZs coming out of this owl planter. And here is the other one right here. There are two groups in this pot. So there's one right here and there's one bulb, and the other bulb is from this 2 babies. So I put them into one planter, and here is the other babies that's gonna come out on this. So that's gonna be full soon, hopefully. And this big one here is probably, this pot is too big for this ZZ, but I want it this way because it was such a big potato looking root here, so I have a hard time putting them in another one of this. So I just figured out why not put this in this big pot, since the root ball, the bulb is so big. And this is the pot that I painted, and there's gonna be a total of 6 for these babies right here that's gonna come out. And well, I couldn't find the other one. There was another baby that was gonna pop in this side here, but one of the root balls have more babies coming up. That's why it is in this bigger pot. Well, this is it for now, guys. These are all of my newly repotted ZZs. So I can't wait for this to grow, and hopefully this will thrive in my house. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.